But I want black ink only.
I know, that just resets everything else though, so maybe just click that.
Click OK.
Click the apply button needs to come up though.
Yeah, I know, it's weird, it's not, no.